are you fucking with me for? I had nothing to do with this! This is fucked up! Ow! Fuck you! Videotape this!
A man sees an accident on the side of the road, and he does what you would hope any decent person would do. He stops to help. He is not a suspect. He did not cause the crash. He is a Good Samaritan standing at the scene trying to make sure people are okay. And a few minutes later, that same man is on the ground with his shoulder being wrenched out of its socket, handcuffed, bleeding, and shoved into the back of a patrol car. His injury was so bad he would need surgery to replace the joint. And the reason they did it, the entire justification, was that he would not answer their questions. That is it. He stayed silent, which is his right, and they broke his body for it. My name is Ben, and I am a criminal defense attorney. Today I am going to show you the actual body camera footage, and I am going to walk you through, line by line, why almost everything these officers did was unlawful, and why it ended with the city writing a check. Stay with me, because the single most important lesson in this entire video could be the thing that keeps you out of handcuffs one day. Let me set the scene, because context is everything here. It is September of 2019, broad daylight, in Loveland, Colorado. There has been an accident, and, like you often see, a handful of bystanders have pulled over to help, regular people, Good Samaritans. And our guy, Preston Soul, is one of them. Watch the footage here.
Where is the bike at?
The bike's parked down on the side. Yeah, the blue one there. We pulled it off.
Okay, you might come and talk to me?
I don't know what happened.
Well, you pulled the bike off
I'm not talking to nobody.
Really?
These guys saw what happened. I didn't.
Okay, if you're not talking to anybody, you can leave.
Well, you can leave.
No.
You're dismissed.
We can't leave.
We can't leave. I'm not leaving.
Okay, then come and talk to me.
No, I'm not going to come talk to you. I'm not going to come talk to you.
Police officer, man. Just
I know.
Did you
but I'm
pull
not
the
gonna come
bike?
talk
Did
to
you
him.
pull the bike
I'm
off
not
him?
going to come talk to
okay,
him.
that's
Did you pull the bike off him?
I did not.
Okay.
So
You just told me you
it has
did.
nothing to do with me.
Okay, you're free to leave.
Yeah, you're free to leave.
What's his name?
Preston. That's all I know.
Preston what?
I don't know.
You got an ID on your boss?
No,
I'm gonna need an ID
no
now.
ID.
Okay.
No, let's take a look. I
177. I got an uncooperative witness. Come on over here.
Constitutional right.
I need to talk to you.
Constitutional right. No.
I need to
don't
talk to
I don't
you.
want to talk to you.
You have to talk
I don't want
to
to
me.
talk. No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
Okay, you've
No, I don't.
inserted yourself.
I came
Okay.
down here to help them.
So-
No, I don't have to talk
so
to
this is
anybody.
gonna go one of two
I don't
ways.
have to talk to anybody.
This is going to go
I
one
don't
of
have
two
to talk
ways.
to anybody.
Okay, either
I
you're
don't
going
have
to
to
sit
talk to
here.
Because I want you to see how ordinary this is. There is a crowd. There are people milling around. There are first responders arriving. Nothing about this man marks him as a threat or a suspect. He is just there, like everyone else, in the aftermath of a wreck. Now here is where it starts to go wrong, and I need you to pay close attention to the exact moment.
You got an ID on your boss? I'm going to need an ID now. Okay.
No, let's take a look.
177. I got an uncooperative witness. Come on over here.
Constitutional right.
I need to talk to you.
Constitutional right. No.
I need to talk to you.
I don't want to talk to you.
You have to talk
I don't want
to
to
me.
talk. No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
Okay, you've
No, I don't.
inserted yourself.
I came down here to help them.
So-
No, I don't have to talk
so
to
this is
anybody.
gonna go one of
I
two
don't have
ways.
to talk to anybody.
This is going to go
I
one
don't
of
have
two
to talk
ways.
to anybody.
Okay, either
I
you're
don't
going
have
to
to
sit
talk to
here and
anybody.
talk to me,
No,
we'll just have a short
no,
conversation,
no,
or I'm going to
I
arrest
don't
you
have
for
to-
obstruction.
No, you're not. I'm not obstructing
You
anything.
are.
You're right here.
Okay.
I'm not obstructing nothing.
Okay.
These guys
Please
are taking
just-
care of it.
Please just come talk to me.
No.
Okay, turn around.
I don't want to talk to you.
Turn around right now.
No. Nope.
Turn around.
Videotape this, Sherry.
I'm already doing it.
No.
It's right here.
No.
Turn around.
No, you're wrong.
Turn around.
My constitutional rights.
around.
I don't have to talk to you. I
Turn
don't have to.
around.
I don't have to ID myself.
I know
Turn
you're
around.
He's being a
Turn
dick,
around.
fucking
No, he's
lovely
not.
cop.
No, he's
Yeah, he
not.
is.
No, he's
My
not.
I
back
came down here to help.
Just back it up.
I don't know what
Back up.
happened,
Back
and I'm
up.
telling you that.
It turns. An officer decides he wants to question Preston. And Preston, for his own reasons, does not want to answer. He is not screaming. He is not swinging. He is not running. He simply declines to have a conversation. And I want to pause the tape right here and teach you something, because this is the heart of the whole case. You have the right to remain silent. You have heard that phrase your entire life, but most people do not actually understand how powerful it is. The Fifth Amendment to the Constitution means you do not have to answer a police officer's questions. Not at a crash scene, not on a sidewalk, not in most encounters on the street. And critically, exercising that right is not a crime. Let me say that again because it is the entire case. Staying silent is not obstruction. Refusing to talk is not resisting. It is a constitutional right, and the moment police start punishing you for using a right, they have crossed a very bright legal line. So, what were they allowed to do? Here is the honest, fair version, because I always want to give the officers their strongest argument. Police can approach anyone and ask questions. That part is fine. If they have a specific, articulable reason to believe you are involved in a crime, they can briefly detain you to investigate. That is called reasonable suspicion. But watch what is missing here.
My constitutional rights. I don't have to talk to you. I don't have to ID myself.
Turn around.
He's being a
Turn around.
fucking
No, he's
lover
not.
cop.
No,
Yeah, he is.
He's not.
I came down here to help.
Just back it up.
I don't know what
Back it up.
happened,
Back
and I'm
up.
telling him that. I'm telling him that. I
Put
don't
your
know what
hand.
happened.
Put your hand
Why
behind your
does he
back.
want to talk to me?
I'm not telling you again.
You're being a little,
No.
you're being
Preston,
a little bit of a dick, man.
Put your hand behind your back
No,
now.
no, you're being wrong.
Put
If you
your
don't
hand.
put
You're
your
being
hand-
wrong.
he's gonna-
Videotape this, Sherry.
He's gonna get you if you don't put your hand
Videotape
behind-
this
Hey,
shit. What are you fucking with me for? What are you fucking with me for?
What are you fucking with me for? What the fuck are you fucking with me for? I had nothing to do with this! This is fucked up! Ow! Fuck!
What crime did they suspect Preston of committing? He did not cause the accident. He was helping. There is no reasonable suspicion that this man did anything wrong, which means there was no lawful basis to detain him at all, let alone to put hands on him. And you can see it on the footage. The escalation does not come from Preston. It comes from the officers deciding that his silence was defiance. Now watch what happens next.
Videotape this shit. What are you fucking with me for? What are you fucking with me for?
What are you fucking with me for? What the fuck are you fucking with me for? I had nothing to do with this! This is fucked up! Ow! Fuck you! Videotape this, Sherry! This is fucked up! I'm not obstructing justice! I didn't want to talk to you, I didn't have to talk to you!
You did.
That's
We have
my
another unit.
fucking rights! Bullshit! This is bullshit! This is total fucking bullshit!
I gave you plenty of opportunities.
No, I didn't want to talk to you. I didn't have to talk to you.
I'm gonna sit you up.
That's my constitutional rights.
I'm gonna sit you up.
That's my constitutional rights. This is fucked up.
Tuck that knee in.
This is fucked up.
Bring this leg in so you can sit down.
This is fucked up. Ow! Ow! Ow!
We tried to.
Your shoulder's fucked up. You're fucking with me.
We're coming to my car over here.
There's no reason for this. There's no reason for this. Get my phone, Sherry.
And I will warn you, it is hard to watch, because a group of officers move in on a man whose only offense was not talking. They grab him, they take him down, and in the process of twisting his arms behind his back to cuff him, they dislocate his shoulder. This is not a man fighting the police. This is a man being overpowered for staying quiet. And listen to the audio.
We tried to.
Your shoulder's fucked up. You're fucking with me.
We're coming to my car over here.
There's no reason for this. There's no reason for this. Get my phone, Sherry. This is fucked up. Videotape this shit.
All you had to do was talk to me.
I didn't want to talk to you. I didn't have to talk to you.
Doesn't matter.
I didn't have to talk to you. I don't know what happened. He came over. We saw him down. I came to help him get his fucking bike up.
Okay, and that's what I need to talk to you.
That's right.
So if you've
So
inserted
uncuff
yourself,
me and fucking let me go.
if you've inserted yourself, you need to talk to me.
I don't
You're
need to talk to
obstructing
you.
an investigation.
I'm not instructing
You are
anything.
under arrest for obstruction
I'm
and
not
now for
obstructing
resisting.
it. I want to talk to your fucking supervisor. I want to talk to your
I'll have a meeting with
supervisor.
the police department.
Right? No, I
You
want to
can
talk to him right fucking now.
You can talk to him before you go to jail.
I'm not going to jail
Yeah,
for
you are.
shit. I didn't do anything. I helped the guy get his bike up,
That's why you
and
need to talk to
I'm
me.
obstructing. Bullshit. Bullshit. Bullshit.
Go ahead and have a seat.
No.
Because you can hear the pain, and you can hear him telling them what they are doing to his arm. That injury I mentioned, the one that later required a full shoulder replacement surgery, it is happening right here, on camera, over a refusal to answer questions. And here is the legal problem that turns a bad arrest into a lawsuit the city cannot win. To use force, police need a lawful reason to be seizing you in the first place. If the detention itself is unlawful, and here it was, because there was no reasonable suspicion of any crime, then every bit of force used to carry out that unlawful arrest becomes excessive force by definition. You cannot lawfully injure someone to complete an arrest you were never allowed to make. That is not a technicality. That is the core of the Fourth Amendment, which protects you from unreasonable seizures. So, after they have hurt him, what do they charge him with? Because they have to justify this somehow. They cite him with obstructing a peace officer and resisting arrest. And I want to break down why those charges are so weak, they are almost offensive. Obstruction requires that you actually interfere with an officer performing a lawful duty, usually through some physical act or a genuine obstacle. Silence is not an obstacle. Declining to chat is not obstruction. And resisting arrest has a beautiful catch built into it, because you generally cannot resist an arrest that was unlawful to begin with. And there was no lawful arrest here. They manufactured 2 charges to paper over the fact that they roughed up an innocent Good Samaritan. And the district attorney, the prosecutor whose job it is to take these cases forward, looked at all of it and dismissed the charges entirely. Dismissed. Gone. That tells you everything about how much the case was worth. And I want you to notice something else on this footage.
Okay, you might come and talk to me?
I don't know what happened.
Well, you pulled the bike off
I'm not talking
him.
to nobody.
Really?
These guys saw what happened. I didn't.
Okay, if you're not talking to anybody, you can leave.
Well, you can leave.
No.
You're dismissed.
We
No.
can't leave.
We can't leave. I'm not leaving.
Okay, then come and talk to me.
No, I'm not going to come talk to you. I'm not going to come talk to you.
Police officer, man. Just
I know.
Did you
but I'm
pull
not
the
gonna come
bike?
talk
Did
to
you
him.
pull the bike
I'm
off
not going to
him?
come talk to
okay.
him.
That's
Did you pull the bike off him?
I did not.
Okay.
So
You just told me
it
you
has
did.
nothing to do with me.
Okay, you're free to leave.
Yeah, you're free to leave.
What's his name?
Preston. That's all I know.
Preston what?
I don't know.
You got an ID on your boss?
No,
I'm gonna need an ID
no
now.
ID.
Okay.
No, let's take a look. See if I think
177. I got an uncooperative witness. Come on over here.
Constitutional right.
I need to talk to you.
Constitutional right. No.
I need to
don't
talk
want,
to
I don't
you.
want to talk to you.
You have to talk
I don't want
to
to
me.
talk. No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't.
Okay, you've
No, I
inserted
don't.
yourself.
I came
Okay.
down here to help them.
So-
No, I don't have to talk
so
to
this is
anybody.
gonna go one of two
I don't have
ways.
to talk to anybody.
This is gonna go
I
one
don't
of
have
two
to talk
ways.
to anybody.
Okay, either
I
you're
don't
gonna
have to
sit
talk to
here and
anybody.
talk to me,
No,
we'll just have a short
no,
conversation,
no.
or I'm gonna.
Something the officers hoped nobody would focus on. Preston was not the only bystander there. There was a whole crowd of people who had stopped. People standing around, people watching, people who had also come to help, and not one of them got taken to the ground. Not one of them got a dislocated shoulder. The only person who got hurt was the one who chose to exercise his right to stay silent. That is the tell. When the single distinguishing factor between the person who walks away and the person who ends up in surgery is whether they answered questions, you are not looking at law enforcement anymore. You are looking at punishment for exercising a right. And that distinction is exactly what a civil rights lawsuit is built to expose. Let me also show you what lawful policing would have looked like here, because the contrast matters. If an officer genuinely thought Preston was a witness, the lawful move is simple. You ask him for a statement. If he declines, you note that he declined, and you move on, because a witness has no obligation to talk to you. If you actually suspected him of a crime, you articulate that suspicion out loud, on your own body camera, and you detain him briefly to investigate that specific crime. What you do not get to do, ever, is decide that a man's silence is an insult to your authority and use your hands to correct it. There was a clean, easy, lawful path here, and every officer on that scene chose to walk right past it. Now I want to zoom out for a second.
Bullshit.
Go ahead and have a seat.
No. Let me go. I'll get in. You don't have to force
I'm
me
gonna
in.
double lock your cuffs.
You don't have to force me in. I'll get in
You're
the
locked.
fucking
Go
car.
ahead.
I'll get in your fucking thing. Loosen these cuffs up, please. They're tight. Can we please loosen these cuffs up?
Just checking them, sir.
They're not a finger fucking width away.
Hey, relax, dude. That's what
I'm
happens.
trying to relax.
That's what happens when you go
gotta throw my
uncooperative.
ass down
That's what
because I
happens
didn't
when
want
you
to
go
talk to you.
uncooperative.
Sir, he's checking the cuffs right now.
Well, they're pretty fucking tight.
Can we get over there? Not yet.
So the bike has been moved over there.
Yes, sir.
Over here?
I had
it's that
nothing to
blue
do
one.
with that. I came out to help my friend.
Okay, and that's why you needed to sit there and talk to me.
Yeah, well, I didn't need to sit there. And
Yeah,
talk
you
because
did.
I didn't see what happened. I didn't witness what happened.
Well, you obviously did because
I
you
didn't.
came out and helped him.
Yeah, but I didn't
So
witness.
that's
I don't
part
know
of
what the hell happened. I came down on my bike. My buddy's bike's down.
That's part of the investigation. We need to know all about
well,
that.
You're fucking wrong.
Okay, have a seat.
Because this did not happen in a vacuum. This is Loveland, Colorado. If that name sounds familiar, it should. This is the same department that made national news for the brutal arrest of Karen Garner, a 73-year-old woman with dementia whose arm they fractured, a case that ended in a $3 million settlement and criminal charges against officers. When you see a pattern like this out of one small department, it stops looking like a bad day and starts looking like a culture. And juries and city attorneys understand that better than anyone. Which brings us to the money.
Yeah. Okay. You're here?
Yeah.
I need statements from the guy in the blue plaid shirt.
Okay.
The guy in the black Eagles thing.
Okay.
He was the one who moved the bike over there, or was moving
In the
it.
Eagles jersey, moved it over there?
Yep.
Okay.
And then I still don't even know who this is. Still don't even know who this is.
Okay.
And then the girl in the silver Jeep is his wife.
Is this dude's wife?
Yep.
Okay.
That's it.
Muted?
I will mute, talk to my supervisor. Or one of my supervisors.
And to the accountability. Preston Soule filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the city of Loveland and its officers for excessive force and for violating his constitutional rights, and the city settled. They paid him $290,000. Now, as always, the city was careful to say they admitted no wrongdoing, that they settled to avoid the cost of trial. But think about that logic for a moment. If the officers did nothing wrong, if this arrest was clean, you take that to a jury and you win and you pay nothing. You write a check for nearly $300,000 of taxpayer money when you have looked at the footage and you know exactly what a jury is going to think of it. So here is what I need you to take away from this. Because it is the practical lesson that matters for your life. You have the right to remain silent, and you are allowed to use it, calmly and respectfully, with police, but understand the reality on the ground. Using your rights can still make an officer angry, and an angry officer can still hurt you before a court ever sorts it out. So the play is this. You can decline to answer questions. You say, politely, "Officer, I am not answering questions. Am I free to go?" You keep your hands visible, you do not run, you do not fight, and you let the camera and your lawyer do the rest afterward. That is exactly what protected Preston Soule in the end. Not compliance with an unlawful order, but the footage that proved he did nothing wrong. Because the video is what turns your word against theirs into the truth against a false report. That is why I always tell you to record everything. If this opened your eyes, do me one favor, because about 99% of the people watching this right now are not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, because I break down a real case exactly like this one every single day, and the next one might be the one that protects you or someone you love. And if you want to help this video reach more people, tap the hype button under it. It genuinely helps a channel this size get seen. I am Ben, and I will see you on the next one.